Do you know how cybersecurity will change in 2024? If you are curious, you're in the right place. Welcome to our video on 16 vital insights about cybersecurity in the coming year. We will be covering the most crucial things you need to keep in mind to stay safe online. Insight 1. Brace yourself for cyber attacks that are becoming more sophisticated and frequent than ever before. Insight 2. Artificial intelligence isn't just for sci-fi movies, it's being wielded both by hackers and security professionals to outsmart each other. Insight 3. Trust is a luxury we can't afford. Zero-trust security models are now the norm as organizations aim to protect their assets. Insight 4. The rising popularity of IoT devices has increased the attack surface for cybercriminals. Insight 5. It's all in the clouds now. Hence, the importance of securing cloud-based systems cannot be overstated. Insight 6. Ransomware attacks are on the rise, with hackers demanding hefty sums to release hijacked data. Insight 7. The enemy within. Insider threats pose a significant risk to organizations, highlighting the need for employee education. Insight 8. Your face is your password. Biometric authentication methods such as facial recognition are gaining traction for enhanced security. Insight 9. Quantum computing presents both opportunities and challenges for cybersecurity. Insight 10. Blockchain technology isn't just for cryptocurrencies, it's being explored to secure transactions and protect sensitive information. Insight 11. Your phone is a target. Mobile devices are increasingly targeted, making mobile security a top priority. Insight 12. Cyber insurance is gaining popularity as businesses seek financial protection against data breaches. Insight 13. Governments are stepping up. They are implementing stricter regulations to ensure organizations prioritize cybersecurity. Insight 14. Sharing is caring. Threat intelligence sharing between organizations is crucial for a collective defense against cyber threats. Insight 15. Privacy concerns continue to grow amidst debates about the balance between security and personal liberty. Insight 16. Continuous monitoring and proactive threat hunting are essential for staying one step ahead of cyber attackers. These were the 16 vital insights about cybersecurity in 2024. Remember to stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. For more detailed insights, consider checking out the news and the link provided in the description below. Until next time, keep your data safe.